Welcome to the Tune Project. Today I'm sharing 4 quick tips to keep your violin safe in cold weather. Whether you're heading to lessons, rehearsals, or gigs this winter, these tips will help you protect your instrument and avoid expensive repairs. Hi, I'm Lauren, a professional violinist and fiddle player currently living in Nashville, Tennessee, and I help thousands of people achieve their violin and fiddle goals. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. We'd love to have you here. Tip number 1, avoid sudden temperature changes. This might not come as a big surprise, but violins don't like big temperature swings. So if you've been out and about with your violin and you come back inside, make sure that you leave your violin in your case for about 30 minutes or so instead of opening it up right away, and that way your violin is able to adjust to the new indoor temperature. This really helps to prevent cracks and open seams. And don't forget to loosen your bow hair when you're not playing. Cold weather can really affect its tension. Tip number 2, keep your violin in its case as much as possible. During cold winter months, your case is your violin's best friend. Always keep your violin in its case when you're transporting it outside, even if it's just a short walk to the car. And never ever attempt to play your violin outdoors in winter weather. That is just a recipe for disaster and won't be comfortable for you or the instrument. If temperatures are very low and you're worried about transporting your violin back and forth outdoors, you can always wrap your case in something like a scarf or a coat just to add that extra layer of protection. Tip number 3, watch the humidity level. Cold air is dry, and so is heated indoor air. This can cause the wood of your violin to shrink and seams to open. Using a case humidifier can help to keep things a little bit more stable, and if you have a hygrometer, this will allow you to monitor your case's humidity levels. And my last tip for you today, tip number 4, never leave your violin in the car. Even if it's just for a few minutes, cars get very cold, and as we discussed earlier, violins don't like huge temperature swings. So if your violin is left in a cold car and then it's started up again and it gets warm, it's a recipe for disaster and can cause damage to the instrument. So always bring your violin inside with you, no matter how quick your stop is. So those are my tips for keeping your violin safe in the cold winter months or even just generally in cold weather. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy practicing. Many of the tunes that I teach here on the Tune Project are selected by my Patreon members. So if you'd like to have a say in the tunes that are featured on this channel, consider joining us on Patreon.